$80 billion. Gone. In 1 week. What if I told you the next market crash isn't a threat? It's already happening. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to expose the dark secret Goldman Sachs is desperately trying to hide. You a Euro LL learn how this massive stock dump directly threatens your financial future. On May 15th, Goldman Sachs quietly filed a Form 4 with the SEC. It revealed they dumped over $80 billion in stocks in Q1 of 2024. That's more than the GDP of countries like Bulgaria. This isn't speculation. This is a fact. See for yourself. But that's not the real story. The reason why they did it will make your blood run cold. We're talking about a game being played at a level you can't even imagine. A game where you are the pawn, and there's a ticking clock. For decades, Goldman Sachs has been the ultimate insider. They Euro not just advisors. They are the system. A system designed to funnel wealth upwards. They knew the 2008 crash was coming. They profited from it. They knew the COVID crash was coming. They profited from it. Now, they're getting out. Why? The official narrative EC Euro inflation is cooling. The economy is strong. All is well. This is a lie. The real inflation rate is far higher than the government admits. Shadowstats.com estimates real inflation to be double the official number. Higher inflation means higher interest rates. Higher interest rates mean a Euro less spending. Less spending means a Euro recession. And Goldman knows this. Their $80 billion dump wasn't just about protecting their assets. It was about positioning themselves for the coming collapse. They're selling high. They Euro LL buy back low, making billions in the process. But who will pay the price? You will. Your retirement savings will be decimated. Your job security will vanish. Your future will be sold off. But wait a Euro, it gets worse. The stock market isn't just stocks. It's a house of cards built on derivatives. Derivatives are basically bets on bets. The total derivatives market is over $600 trillion. Theta Euro S nearly 10x the entire global GDP. If one major player defaults on their bets Euro, the whole system collapses. Remember 2008? Lehman Brothers. AIG. This is 2008 on steroids. Goldman's actions are a symptom of a much larger problem. The elites are preparing. They're building bunkers. They're buying farmland. They're securing their escape routes. While the rest of us are distracted by bread and circuses, the wolves are circling. Now, this next part is the one that will affect you directly. Your biggest vulnerability is debt. Credit card debt, mortgage debt, student loan debt. Debt is a chain that binds you to the system, and the system wants you enslaved. The more debt you have, the easier it is to control you. I'll show you the escape plan in a minute, but first to Euro. Diversification is your shield. The stock market is rigged. Bonds are a joke. Real estate is overvalued. The only assets that hold their value during crisis are tangible ones. Precious metals, Bitcoin, farmland. Self-sufficiency is your weapon. Learn to grow your own food. Generate your own power. Build a network of like-minded individuals. Cut ties with the system. Remember that SEC filing? There's a clause hidden in the fine print. It allows Goldman to re-enter the market at a discount after the crash. They're not just selling off assets. They're setting up to steal them back. For pennies on the dollar. They want to own everything. And they will, unless you fight back. So, what does this mean for your savings account? It means you need to act now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Now. First, reduce your debt. Cut expenses. Sell anything you don't need. Second, diversify your assets. Invest in precious metals or Bitcoin. Third, build a community. Connect with people who share your values. If you do nothing else today, start preparing for the worst. Because the worst is coming. The system isn't broken. It's functioning exactly as designed. To enslave you. If this opened your eyes, subscribe and hit the bell. You need to know what's coming next. Drop a comment below. What do you think Goldman Sachs is really planning? Share this with someone who needs to hear the truth before it's too late.